Shall we start? We have a very, very difficult topic today. So can we start? Yeah? All right. I need all of you to turn on your camera. Okay. So let's start here. So today in your English class, we are going to do a little bit of writing. Okay? We are going to do a little bit of writing. Now, before I give you your turn to write, we are going to learn a few things and then we will write. Okay? So let's start. Oh, thank you. There must be trip. Yes, Putri Esa, it's about a trip. Okay? Now, we are going to write about a trip. Can someone help me with this? Anyone? Can anyone read this for me? Thank you, Fayad. Let's read, let's read. No one? You must read, read.
Me.
Yes, read, please.
Last school holiday, you and your family went for a short holiday by nature. Write a message to your friend. In your message, tell about your trip. Tell your experience during the trip. Write about 50 words.
Okay, very good, thank you. Now, this is a question where you have to write about what? Write about your trip. Okay? So, with whom did you go? Dengan siapa kamu pergi untuk trip ni?
Family.
Your family. Very good. Now, you have to write an email or a message. What are you going to write? What are you going to write? Email ke, letter ke, message?
Message.
You're going to write a message. Very good. Now, in your message, what must you write? Apa yang kamu kena tulis dalam message kamu?
Tell about your trip.
Apa maksud tell about your trip? Can you tell me? What do you understand? Apa yang kamu faham? Tell about your trip. Apa yang kamu akan tulis?
Bagi tahu.
Hmm.
Kita pergi jalan-jalan? Pergi jalan.
Okay, kamu pergi jalan. Itu saja. So, kamu beritahu, I went on a trip. That's all. Okay. Now, what is the second question? Apa lagi yang kamu kena tulis?
Experience.
Apa maksud experience?
Pengalaman.
Apa maksud pengalaman? Nak tulis tentang apa tu?
Berjalan-jalan. Your trip.
What do you write?
Your trip.
Your?
Apa berlaku?
Apa berlaku? Okay, you can say what happened. Alright, then apa lagi? Okay. Then what else can you write? Dia suruh tulis experience. Pengalaman. So what are you going to write? What are you going to write? Tu je. Tulis apa yang berlaku. Yes. Aduh, cikgu keluarkan soalan ni. If I give you for your test, habis semua dapat kosong. You don't know what to write? No? No? Alright, okay. Today, what you're going to learn is what to write when you want to talk about a trip. Okay? So, if you want to talk about a trip, kalau kamu nak tulis tentang trip, soalan begini keluar. Let's see what you can include. Apa yang kamu boleh masukkan. Okay, are you ready? Now, there are 4 points that I'm going to teach you today. How many points? 4 points. The first one is the weather. What is weather? Can you tell me what is weather?
Cuaca.
Cuaca. Now look at this weather. Tengok cuaca ni. Tell me, what do you think is the weather? How are you going to write about this weather?
Hot. Panas.
Hot. Okay, good. What else?
Sunny.
Very good. Sunny. What else?
Hot.
Okay, kita guna hot and
Cold.
sunny lah. Cold. Cold. Cold.
Uh,
Let's see the sun there. You
Summer.
can say summer adalah season. That's not weather. What can you say? Can you read for me? All of you, baca. Semua orang baca. Read. Weather.
Weather
was
beautiful. It was sunny.
Okay. So if you want to write in your essay, kalau kamu nak tulis tentang trip, you can talk about weather. How do you say? You can say weather was beautiful. Cantik lah. Tak ada apa-apa. Not rainy. Tak ada apa-apa. The weather. Cuacanya sangat cantik. Or you can say it was sunny.
Sunny.
Alright. So if look at the weather, what can you say? Can you help me? What can I say? How can I say? The weather was
Sunny.
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 Or what else can I say? The weather was
Beautiful.
very good. The
Beautiful.
weather was beautiful. Okay. Ingat tau, you need to remember because later you're going to write. Okay. Now, I want you to copy this one. Weather. Salim. Because later you're going to write this. Later you are going to dan weather. Maksudnya cuaca. So you think of the weather. Kamu nak tulis tentang trip, you think of the weather. Was it sunny? Was it beautiful? So how if the weather was like this? What can I write? Apa yang cikgu boleh tulis? What can I write if this is the weather? What can I write?
The weather was rainy.
Very good. The weather was
Rainy.
rainy. Good. So tadi beautiful. Now you can say the weather wasn't nice. Or you can say the weather was rainy. It was raining. Kalaulah dia hujan. Okay, if the weather was bad, you can say the weather was bad. The weather wasn't nice. It was raining. But what was your what is the first point? Apa point pertama yang kamu boleh guna?
Weather was
Weather.
nice.
What can you say? What can you talk about?
Weather.
Rainy ke, your choice. What you want to write is your choice. But you must include weather. Okay? Can I? What is number 2? Number 2, you can also talk about mode of transportation. Apa maksud transportation?
Pergi ke negara lain.
Oh, no. Apa maksud transportation?
Pergi ke tempat lain.
No. Apa maksud transport?
Kenderaan.
Good. So maksud mode of transportation tu pengangkutan yang kamu guna. Bagaimana kamu pergi? How did you go for your trip? Let's say we went to Thailand. How can we go to Thailand from here, from Malaysia?
Naik flight.
Okay, you can say flight. What else?
Flight. Car.
Okay, you can say drive.
Bus.
Okay,
Bus.
I took a bus. What else?
Train.
I had a ride on a train.
Train.
Okay, all right. So you have to also think, what transportation did you take? Kamu guna apa, pengangkutan apa kamu pergi trip tu? You must tell your friend. So you can say by car. We went. Dia tanya your family kan. You can say my family and I went by car. We went by train. Kalau train tu macam how to say, dia punya journey tu ketak macam tu kan. Tak smooth dia punya journey. So you can say bumpy journey on a train. Sakitlah punggung kamu semua, sakit badan semua because you had a bumpy journey on a train. Kalau aeroplane ada tak? Macam tu dia pergi. Betul? No. How does it go? Smooth flight. So you can say we had a smooth flight to Thailand. Or we had a bumpy journey on a train to Thailand. Atau bapak kamu lah yang pandu kereta, you say lah. We went by car. My dad drove to Thailand. Tapi kena masukkan pengangkutan. You must include transportation. So can you copy this? Apa maksud mode of transportation? Pengangkutan.
Pengangkutan.
Kenapa yang kamu guna sebagai satu keluarga? What did you all use to go? How did you go? Pengangkutan apa? What transportation you use? Can you write? Are you writing or are you just sitting? Later you have to use these.
I'm done.
Done.
All done?
Done.
So what can we write about mode of transportation? What can I write? How did I go? I can say by car. What else?
By bus.
Train.
We had a smooth flight.
Bumpy journey on a train.
Very good. Bumpy journey on a train. Not
Kami.
No. It's bumpy journey. Journey. Okay. Journey
Journey
on a
train.
train. All right.
Bus.
Okay. Or you can also say that drove to Thailand. Daddy drove the car. Okay. All right. So you can use any of these when you are writing. How about the next one? What else can we write? We have written about weather. Dah masukkan tentang cuaca. You wrote about mode of transportation. Lepas sampai sana, mandi mana, tidur mana. What can I write?
Hotel.
Good, Amshar. Okay, sampai sana you must tell
Place of stay.
Place of stay. Mana kamu tinggal? Takkanlah tinggal dalam kereta kan? Of course you can't stay, just stay the night on a train or in a car. You cannot do that. So you need to also talk about where did you stay? Place of stay. What can I write? What can I write? Place of stay too.
On the hotel.
Okay, we stayed in a hotel. All right. What else?
In a hotel.
Okay. What else?
In
Homestay.
Homestay. Very good. What else?
hotel. Homestay.
Let's say
Motel.
motel. Okay.
Motel.
Let's say you are going to you're going on a trip to a jungle or by the beach. Where do you stay? You're going on a trip to the beach. Where are you going to stay? Takkanlah beside the beach ada hotel, ada homestay, ada bilik-bilik, tak ada kan? So where are you going to stay?
A tent.
You're just going to sleep on the sand? tent, Atia. Very good. You can stay in a tent. Now, how do I write this? Sudah ada apa yang kamu nak tulis? Bagaimana nak tulis? How to put it in a sentence? Then say, we.
Comfortable rooms in
What is-
hotel.
What is comfortable? Apa maksud comfortable?
Nice.
Nice? No. Nice is nice. What is comfortable? What is comfortable? Anyone? Comfortable. Huh? I can't hear you. Patient? Comfortable means selesa. What is comfortable? Selesa. Alright. So you can say we had comfortable rooms in Hotel Thailand. So what hotel? Hotel Kingsley. Okay, so we had comfortable rooms in Hotel Kingsley. Atau tak you want to say homestay? You can say we stayed at a spacious homestay. Spacious tu maksudnya luas. Ada tempat yang besar, living room yang luas, bilik luas, katil yang besar, semuanya besar-besar. Spacious. Homestay. So when you are writing about place of stay, tulislah sikit. Tak perlu panjang-panjang. You can write about the rooms. You can write about the tent. You can say comfortable tent. Okay? So what is the third point? Apa point yang ketiga? Place. Place
Of stay.
Okay. Place of stay. Now let's look at one. Oh, we have 5 points. What about food? What can I write about food? Okay, nak tulis kawan. You are going to write to your friend. You're going to say food. You're going to talk about food. What can I say? Can I list out all the food? Boleh tak dalam karangan teacher tu? I want to list out all the food. I want to say I add chicken soup. I add pizza. I had buns. I had cake. I had ice cream. I had donut. Can I list like this? Boleh tak cikgu list apa-apa benda yang cikgu makan? Can I do that?
Boleh.
Can or not?
Can.
No. When you are writing an essay, especially part 6. Part 6 tu kita kena pendek kan? Tak boleh panjang-panjang. So janganlah tulis, I ate chicken soup, pizza, bun cake, blah 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 blah. No. Instead, jangan tulis seperti itu. You can say, the food in Thailand was amazing. The food in Thailand was delicious. So what can you talk about food? What can you say about food? You can use the word tasty food, delicious food,
Amazing.
yummy food. You can say amazing food.
Delicious. Tasty.
Alright. Number 4. Point number 4 is food. What can you write? Boleh tak kamu list out? Apa saya makan? Sushi lah, nugget, sausage. Tak
boleh.
Jangan cannot. What must you write? We had tasty food, amazing food, delicious food. The food was yummy. Okay? Alright. This is point number 4. One last point and then we're going to watch a video. Okay? We have one last point and then we're going to watch a video. Are you ready for the last point? Last point is mestilah bagi tahu kamu tengok apa. What did you see in your trip? Okay, let's say you went to the beach for a trip. So what can I say? What did you see? Look at the picture here and tell me, what did you see?
A whale?
Okay, you can say, I saw a whale by the sea. Of course, you cannot see, but you just write lah. Alright? What else else did you see?
Shark.
You saw a shark? Okay.
Dolphin.
You saw a
Fish.
dolphin? Okay. Fish. Okay.
Fish.
What else? You can see trees both here. Okay, talk about that. What else can you see?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. You can also say that I saw a huge boat. Boat yang besar. I saw a huge boat. We played under the trees. There were coconut trees. Tengoklah gambar-gambar ni. And you can talk about what you can see. What did you see in this picture here? I saw coconut trees. We played under coconut trees. Kami makan-makan under coconut trees. So you can write anything you saw or you did. Now copy this too. This is point number 5. Point number 5. What did you see? So, akan beritahu lah, what did you see during the trip? All right, are you done?
Done.
All of you done? Later when you write, I'm going to ask you to read what you read what you wrote, and then I'm going to check if you have all 5 points. Yes.
Nak buat apa sebab saya tadi pergi tandas.
Salim, this one, what did you see?
Huh?
Salim, this one, what did you see? This is point number 5.
Okay.
What? All done?
Teacher,
Yes.
Done.
yang first tadi tu apa tadi?
Dah lupa dah?
Weather.
Weather, cuaca. What is the first point?
Weather.
Cuaca.
Cuaca.
So you must say, what can you say? You can say the weather was beautiful, or it was sunny, or it was rainy. Weather. Point number 2, what is point number 2?
Rain.
Raining. Transportation.
Transportation. What is transportation?
Pengangkutan.
Okay. So what can you write about this? Apa yang kita boleh tulis tentang pengangkutan ni?
Train.
By car, by train.
Good. Very good. Fayaz, very good, Fayaz. By car, by train. Okay, good.
Bumpy journey.
Bumpy journey on a train. Good. What's the third point?
Place of stay.
Place of stay. What can we write about place of stay?
Comfortable rooms in hotel or spacious homestay.
Very good. Very good. Comfortable rooms in a hotel, or you can say spacious homestay. How about what is the fourth point?
Food.
Food. Can we list out what we ate? List out. So, apa yang kita makan? No. What can we write?
The food was delicious.
Okay, very good. I'm
amazing.
Very good.
Delicious.
The food was
Yummy.
delicious, yummy, tasty, amazing. All right. Last one.
What did you see?
What did you see? Apa yang kamu tengok? All right. Now, up till now, do you have any questions for me? No? You have all your 5 points?
No.
Yeah.
You have all your 5 points?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, great. Now, we're going to watch a video.
Teacher, I can't really hear you.
You can't hear me? Come. The rest also cannot hear me?
Can.
Can.
Tak clear suara teacher.
Apa? Ni kenapa tak bagi tahu tadi? What's wrong with the mic? Can you hear me now? No?
Not that clear.
I hear you.
I have everything fixed well.
How about now?
Yes.
Now it's clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me earlier? Did you hear what I say?
Yeah.
Just now you didn't hear anything?
No. I
A
hear you.
little bit.
Aduh, next
I
time you
hear
can't
you.
hear me. You must tell me. I wasted half an hour. Now, should we go again? Or do you know, do you understand? What did we learn?
Understand.
You do understand, yeah? Okay,
Yes.
so we learned 5 points. First one was weather, cuaca. Second one was,
Mode of transportation.
okay, maksudnya pengangkutan apa yang kamu ambil? Okay, how did you go for the trip? Third one is place of stay. Mana kamu tinggal?
In hotel.
Okay, next one, number 4 is where you can talk about food. Don't list out, jangan list out apa benda yang kamu makan, but you can say the food was yummy, delicious, and blah blah blah. And the last one is what did you see? Apa yang kamu nampak? Alright. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we are going to watch a video. From this video, you have to tell me what you saw.
So
Okay?
to see kan, teacher?
Huh?
So to see kan?
So to past tense lah for see. So you got to tell me apa weather, ada tak kamu nampak food, ada tak any place of what place of stay, ada apa transportation, ada tak apa yang mereka buat, and you can tell me what did they do, apa yang mereka buat sana. Okay, you can tell me what you saw. Alright, okay, now let's watch the video. Okay.
Gee.
Can you hear
No.
the sound, the music?
Sekat.
Sekat. Sekat, I cannot do anything. Okay. We will try from the start. Okay. Okay, now, looking at this video, can you tell me about the weather?
The weather was sunny.
Sunny?
Sunny.
Only sunny?
The weather was hot.
Hot? Okay, you can use sunny, you can also use hot, and you can also say windy. Didn't you see their dresses all were moving about? Okay, you can also see windy. What was the mode of transportation there? Once you reach there, car, by boat, very good. Some of them
Riding
were
a camel.
saying,
Riding a camel.
was it a camel? Did you see a horse?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, did you see a truck?
Yeah.
Yes, some also traveled in a hot air balloon. All right. How about place of stay? Once you go there, where can you stay? Did you see someone doing anything?
Pyramid.
I saw.
Pyramid.
You want to stay in a pyramid?
Tent.
People can stay in a pyramid. No.
Homestay?
Did you see homestay there?
No.
Tent. Yes, tent. There were people camping there. Okay. All right. There was a tent. People were camping there. Did you see any food?
No.
Yes. Food? I didn't see any food. I don't
Were they
remember seeing
cooking?
food.
I saw them cooking.
Yes. They were cooking something, right? Okay. So if I want to talk about the food, what can I say?
They were
The food was
Delicious.
delicious, yummy or tasty. Okay. Now, to the last one. What did you see? So let's say
Temple,
you were on the trip.
Pyramid.
You saw a pyramid. Very good. What else?
Fish.
You saw
Children.
children. Okay, you can say you saw friendly people. You saw fish. I didn't see fish.
Mami. Ada orang berenang kat
That fish. Oh, berenang. Oh, yes. Yes, someone. What is berenang? Was that berenang or they went what? Diving.
diving.
You can talk about the fish when they went diving. All right, very good. See, nampak tak? If you want to talk about a trip, if you have your 5 points, ada banyak nak cerita. You can talk a lot, right? Now, what we are going to do is we are going to start writing. Okay, now let's try with this question. Cikgu nak bagi soalan dah, okay? All of you ready? Okay. Can someone read for me this question? Sabrina, can you read for me, please? Yes, Sabrina?
Write an email to your friend about a trip you went with your family. Share your experiences.
Okay, experiences. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to first analyze the question. Cikgu dah ajar dalam kelas writing. Kamu baca soalan, kamu kena analyze dulu. Analyzing ada 4 step. Okay. So, we're going to see to whom are you going to write? Kepada siapa? To whom are you going to write?
Right, to your friend.
To your
Friend.
friend. Okay, your friend. Good. Now, what are you going to write?
About a trip.
About?
A trip.
Okay, very good. I can only hear one person, Fatia, giving me answer. The rest? What's wrong? What are you going to write? You're going to write about?
A trip.
The trip. Okay, you're going to write about the trip. Now, what tense are you going to use? Tense to present tense.
Past tense.
tense.
Past tense.
Past tense.
Why past tense?
But
Because it already happened.
already happened.
Okay, very good. Why? How do you know already happened?
Already happened.
How do you know?
Share
Holiday.
to your friend.
Ada tip up, ada perkataan apa yang bagi tahu?
Last
This is
school
past
holiday.
tense.
Last school holiday.
Last school holiday. Where is the word last school holiday?
Went.
That's a different question, Hemasri. That is the first question. This is the second question.
Went.
You went. All right. So the word went, which means they're asking you to say that they want you to write about a trip that you have already been to. Sudah pergi, sudah balik. Okay. So what is the format? What are you going to write? Are you going to write a letter or a message? You're going to write an email. Okay. So this is the format and I want you to follow this and start writing. But remember, I want to see all 5 points that you have learned today. You can use it. Yang mana nak guna mula-mula. Okay, you can use mode of transportation dulu. Lepas tu baru nak tulis tentang weather. Lepas tu nak cakap tentang food. Last kali baru nak cakap tentang place of stay. Your choice. You plan. But you must have all 5 points. Yes.
Email ke?
Read the question. Now, you can write it in your exercise book. You can write it in the chat box. Kalau dalam exercise book, I will call you to read. Cikgu akan suruh kamu baca. You can start writing. Make sure you have all 5 points. Any question? Please start writing. Please do not waste your time. Cikgu akan panggil seorang-seorang baca.
Done, teacher.
Yes.
I'm done.
All done?
Done. Oh.
Ah, yes. Thank you, Putri Elsa. You can write it in the chat box. If you are unable to, it's okay. You can also write it in your exercise book and read it to me later. Mhm. If you're done, you can let me know that you're done.
Done.
Okay, good. If you're done, you can also write it in your chat box, or if you have completed writing in your exercise book, you can let me know. I can call you out to read.
Teacher must buy one, okay?
Yeah, I sent you a message. It's excellent. Mine, not my one. It's excellent. Very good. I am reading. Damia Hannah.
Yes.
Okay, if you're going to write to your friend, kalau kamu nak tulis kepada kawan kamu, tak perlu kata, my name is Damia. You just have to say, hello, nama kawan kamu. Hello, Laila. Bukan, hello, my name is Damia. Okay? Sebab dia kawan kamu. So, you say, hello, Laila. How are you? My family and I went on a trip to Taiping Zoo. Okay. So, what was the weather? Kan kita, point number 1 tu kita belajar weather. Ada tak masukkan weather? Cuacanya. No? Ada tak masukkan bagaimana kamu pergi? Pengangkutan. I taught you about transportation. Ada salin tak apa yang teacher suruh salin tadi?
Ada.
Ada. Kenapa tak masukkan? So, kena masukkan pengangkutan lah pula. Okay? Then after that, lepas pengangkutan, place of stay. Okay. Kan cikgu kata, benda ni sudah lepas ke atau sedang buat sekarang? Trip ni sudah lepas ke atau trip ni masih berlaku?
Sudah lepas.
Sudah lepas. Kalau sudah lepas, you must write, my mom booked. ED, tak boleh guna ING. Kena guna ED. My mom booked a hotel room. Okay? Then, lepas tu, what was the next one? It was about food. What did I say about food? You can say the food in the zoo was yummy, was delicious. Okay? All right? Okay, you have to change. And then what was the last one? What did you see? So what did you see? You wrote all Amy animal in the zoo. So did you mean apa maksud kamu? All Amy animal? Atau kamu maksudkan saya nampak banyak animals? We saw many animals. Okay? Alright? Okay. Tulis balik. Can you write again? You have to change a little bit. Kena masukkan apa yang teacher ajar. Kalau tak, rugi pula. Kan? You write. Write again. Okay? Good. Hussein? Hussein?
Ya.
Okay, Hussein. Trip ni sudah lepas kan?
Yes.
So you must use past tense, right? So you must say we stayed. ED, bukan stay. Okay? We stayed at comfortable rooms or comfortable room at a comfortable. Kalau satu kena guna a. We stayed at a comfortable room in the hotel. The food was delicious and I saw a camel and horse. All right. You can also end it, akhirkan apa yang kamu tulis tu. You can say we had a good trip. We had a good trip. We had a good trip. Or we enjoyed the trip. I was very happy. Jangan habiskan dengan I saw camel and a horse. Itu like tak habiskan karangan kamu. Okay? So you have to habiskan. Just write I had a good trip. Something like that. Okay? Just one of that. You have to add. Good. Aisha Akila. Aisha Akila? Are you here, Aisha Akila? Boleh dengar? Can you hear me? Aisha Akila? Tak ada dalam kelas? Can you hear me? Demia Christina? Can you turn on your mic? Okay. Alright, good. Okay, boleh tahan. Good try. Trip ni sudah habis ke atau masih berlaku? Christina. Demia Christina. Demia Christina,
Yes.
trip ni sudah habis berlaku ke atau masih berlaku?
Sudah.
Sudah. Okay. Kalau sudah, boleh tak kita guna is? Buka mic. Tak perlu tutup mic. Christina, kalau sudah, boleh tak guna is? Is ke was?
Was.
Was. Kita kena guna was. So you must say the weather was sunny, not is sunny. Okay? Stay. My family and I stay. What is the past tense of stay? Kalau sudah tinggal, what do you say? Stayed. Kena tambah ed. My family and I stayed in a homestay. I ate lobster and it was delicious. Delicious tu, you tu boleh tolakkan. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. I saw a beautiful beach. Akhirkan, jangan potong macam tu saja. Jangan kena akhirkan cantik-cantik. You can say, I had a good holiday. I had an enjoyable trip. I had a fun trip. Mesti habiskan begitu, Demia. Tak boleh pendek, tak boleh tulis lepas tu tak habiskan, tak kata bye-bye pun. Cannot do like that, okay? Mesti habiskan. So you must say, I had a good trip. Okay, Demia? Okay, alright. Jangan lupa kalau tulisan, kalau if you're going to write about something that you have already done, sudah habis, then you must use past tense. Kena guna past tense. Alright? Okay, so today we learned a little bit about writing. I hope you remember whenever you get the question about a trip, kalau kamu dapat soalan tentang trip, you can include all these things. You can include the weather, you can include the pengangkutan, transportation, where you stayed, food, and what did you see. All right? So that's what we learned for today. Thank you so much for joining our class today. I will see you all next week. If you're not done, it's okay. We are going to continue, as in you will have to read your answers next week to me. Okay? Siapa yang tak hantar hari ni, cikgu tahu. So next week you can send, or next weekend you can read your answers to me. All right? Thank you so much. I'll see you all next week. Goodbye. Bye. Remember to complete your work. Habiskan kerja, habiskan penulisan ya. Make sure finish it up.
Okay. Bye.
Fatia, that is very good. Good job, Fatia.
Teacher, bye-bye.
Goodbye. I'm reading yours.